In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight a tweet in X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple way to make an important post stand out on your profile. But before we begin, you need to know that this feature requires a subscription. So if you don't already have access to it, make sure your account is upgraded first. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fast and easy social media tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open X.com and go to your profile. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but the steps are the same in both cases. Once you're on your profile, scroll through your posts and find the tweet that you want to highlight. This should be the post you want visitors to notice first when they land on your profile. Now look for the three dots menu on that tweet. This menu gives you more options for managing the post. Tap or click those three dots to open the settings for that tweet. From the list of options, select Highlight on your profile. As soon as you do that, the tweet will be featured more prominently on your profile so it stands out to anyone visiting your page. That's it. The tweet is now highlighted. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference if you want to draw attention to an announcement, a popular post, or anything you want pinned more visibly on your account. If this video was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.